Well, this is your UJ Prince. I'm here presenting phone at the baddest thing. Them a review tune and video on YouTube. Jamaica's worst gamer. Jamaica's worst gamer. They on a money road.
Hey, yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's Gamer here with another reaction. Hey, guys, today we're with La Boss. Yeah, man, the man himself. Father Dark. Yes, man. Chronic La. With Dead Boy. Dead Boy. Music video. We're going to jump in the one and see what the G has said. Let's go. Disclaimer, we are going to try and break down as much as we can break down. So we are going to pause a lot and hear what the G has said. If the pausing is not for you, go find the full video without no talking over him channel. Alright? Let's jump in the one. Let's go.
I two artists, me see them try off. Any day they ramp with me, then they don't fuck.
Two artists, me see them try off. And they them ramp with me, them dead your fuck. I wish two artists them try off. Wish two artists get try off. Furthermore, big up Shabdan. Shabdan Records produced that one. Yo, a baby gun man up. Yo, a baby gun man up put in them from ready in the dog. A baby, yo.
Shabdan, what you talking about? Should be.
I'm still curious. Which two artists them try off? Comment section, please help me out. Which two artists them try off? Which two?
Shabdan, what you talking about? Should be careless all if a crowd be
disgusting. Shabdan, what you talking about? Should be careless all if a crowd in the MC bus it. Jesus.
The dog, listen to my dog, them a soul. Me up in night town, no hardly come out.
Me up in night town, no hardly come out. Yo, I have a question to ask, but I'm going to listen to some more before I ask a question. Binds.
Brawling a road, clip full of tile teeth and a soul scone.
Rolling alone, foot. Clip full of tall teeth and a soul comb. Soul comb and afro comb. You know, you think on afro. Some people call it afro, but they name fatal soul comb. Yo, I want them like that.
Brawling a road, clip full of tall teeth and a soul comb. Head up full of port more. Yo, we shot.
Yo, what the fuck them find La Boss from, brother?
Clip full of tall teeth and a soul comb. Head up full of port more. Yeah, we shot him, make him eyeball, touch him nose hole.
Bumbo clot. We shot him, make him eyeball, touch him nose hole. Yeah. That means say your eyeball a drop out in the bed. And that, yo. Hey.
All of them are dead. Why? Dead. Why? Got it dark in a murder we enjoy. Fuck.
No dead boy. No allow no a dead boy. Cut it talk in a murder we enjoy. Question me I go ask now. Who? Who am I talk? Who?
Keep talking a murder we enjoy. Dead. Why? Dead. Why?
And there's dead boy alone, not dead girl. You hear me say? Dead girl.
Rifle we employ. Dead girl and dead boy.
Yeah, man. Rifle we employ, man. Dead boy and dead girl. Everything. No matter what your gender, once you're involved. All if you're not valve, you're still valve. Bumbo clot. Everything I get it. Yeah, man. The whole out of valve, man. The whole out of valve.
Them man a wicked boy, yo, one done walk it like till the chips spoil.
Them man a wicked boy, one done walk it black till the chips spoil. Who am I talk? Somebody I get this in a brother. Somebody I get style as a brother. Everybody's connect.
La bossy K and a with style, which boy can this dog and I live nice. Shoulda buy car, they deny him drive. Oh, if you say you're bad, to your rubber fish fry.
Shit, dog. Him didn't enjoy, him didn't want taxi, him didn't want Uber, brother. Or if you say you're bad and a rap fish fry. Yo, what? What?
Me don't see who follow pick side. Kill them bare face, leave them bother these guys.
Me don't see who follow and pick side. Kill them bare face, no matter. Wait no man.
Me don't see who follow pick side. Kill them bare face, leave them bother these guys.
Kill them bare face, brawling, make a murder. We never put on a mask, brother. We not disguise yourself, dog. Ahoo! Binds.
Marrow, palm, wallaby side. Belly bust with some food, when swallow with fries. If God could.
The graphics, imagery, the man of paint, brother. Michelangelo.
The savior, I know this time. Dog, the whole of them on. Dead. Why?
Yo. Like I said, big up Shabdan and the G are link same way. Shabdan and Labas are link. Shabdan and Squash them now link. We know that. So, how we talk? How? Me no want speculate, you know. This is not what this channel is about, you know. As once an artist call name, then we call name. Squash him attack. Yeah, once an artist call name, then we call name. Squash him attack. Yes, see me? So, me no want nobody say me over here so I call nobody name. Squash him attack. Me no want nobody over here say me there call nobody name. Cause you don't know say me not no luck. Squash him attack. You see me? So, hear me I say. Leave in the comment section and tell me who you think him attack. Squash him think him attack. What you say? Leave in the comment section and tell me who him attack. Bye. Blood clap.
Cut it talking a murder we enjoy. Fuck it talking a murder we enjoy. Dead. Why?
Bumbleclot. Yo, the politics not that one, brother. The politics, brother. I'm not voting on my life, you know. So I'm not pick no side, but never voted on my life.
Rifle we employ. Dead girl and dead boy. What you talking about? Should be careless all if I crowd.
Yo, the man she and say father dark. The man end dark to that. Ahoo, is a dog. Squash him attack. Let's go.
Me a dog, listen to my dog, them a sound. Me up in night town, no hardly come out.
Up in that town, I'm hardly come out. Up down the town, up down the hometown.
Brawling all what? Clip full of tile teeth and a soul scorn. Head tap full of port more. Yeah, we shot him, make him yeah.
Blood clot, man. So in a November now, me tell myself for the first year, we not get no clash. We not get no artist a clash. No name not called Brawling.
Ball touch him no as well. Shot down. Dead. Why? Cut it.
Boy, I know, so the music business really changed. Cause them time you war hot. Them time you last year, Marco them and Fully Bad them and Coyote them and Shane them and go at it. No, not go on. I want go on.
Talking a murder we enjoy. Fuck it, talking a murder we enjoy. Dead. Why?
See that? Big up Shabdan Records. Yeah, man. You produce it, man. Dead boy, you say, man.
Dead. Why? Rifle we employ. Dead girl and dead boy.
Ahoo! I will get them bands a while ago. Honestly? Who for name, honestly? How do you love copy for name, sir? How do you love copy for name, sir? What? Yo, I don't know. I don't know. But I not call nobody name. I'm not luck. You see me? Yeah, so tell me like I'm saying, I only think attack in a dead boy. Blood clot rifle full up of this like. I don't know how I'm going, brother, but something is brewing. And when it explodes, it's gonna explode. It's gonna be a bomb. Me there feet though, me there feet. Yeah, me there feet. Catch you guys in the next one though. Peace.
Well, this is your UJ Prince. I'm here present phone at the body sting them review tune and video on YouTube. Jamaica's worst gamer. Jamaica's worst gamer, they on a money road.